In today's digital world, social media presence isn't just important, it's the heartbeat of your business. Hello everyone, I'm Bob Safaya. I'm the leader of the New Home Collective. Together with my team, we've sold close to 2,000 homes and we have over 1,000 Google reviews. Yeah, you heard that right, it's 1,000. Over the past 12 years, we've created quite a social media presence. You know, if you go ahead and Google the New Home Collective or Google my name, Bob Safaya, you'll see put a lot of work into creating that presence. And in this video, I'm gonna share with you 3 ways to come up with some ideas, some things you can put on social media this summer. So talking about it being the lifeblood of your business or the heartbeat of your business, you know, it's never been more true. I mean, I think they said like 90% of home buyers start their search online for a real estate agent. I think that fact's gonna hold true with sellers also. They're out searching around, checking to see who's doing what. And from my perspective, those Google reviews in themselves, we get a lot of inbound phone calls off of that and off of our social media presence. So here's the thing. You want to be able to create social media content and you want to keep it fresh and you want to come up with new ideas. Some of these tips that I'm going to give you today are going to be based on the seasonality of the business. So add value for the season. It doesn't matter how many touches you make on your database throughout the year. You're likely going to be making at least one post about it being summer. In order to bring value to your audience, demonstrate that you're the local professional. You got to have content that's connected to the season. You know, maybe consider videos or articles, post about summer home maintenance, maximizing your outdoor spaces, DIY projects, show something that you're doing to your house. You could also include landscaping companies or furniture stores or anything that has to do with that summer theme that creates that relaxation and the outdoor fun. Here's another one. Celebrate the summer market. Summer's one of the busiest times of year. I mean, this gives you a chance to show your expertise. Talk about the statistics and what's happening in the market for buyers, for sellers, and even investors. Position yourself to have timely data and timely information that can help people navigate this complex market. Here's number 3, go deep. Find your brand's voice. Use summertime to reintroduce who you are to your audience. Maybe post agent interviews, post a behind the scenes look of what you're doing in the day-to-day life. Whatever fits your style and personality. Summer is the season of vitality and growth. So whether you're trying to establish your brand or rebrand an existing business, now's the perfect time to do it. Keep in mind, consistency, relatability, and timeliness are crucial for you to make effective content. If you have further questions or ideas or thoughts you want to kick around to help boost your business, feel free, call me anytime. The link to my calendar is in the description, and anything I can do to help you with the real estate business, I'm here for you.